This is the Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide. It is a patent-pending product. The Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide has many great features. It has a quick release. We can slide the guide in and out from the machine easily. Here's where it holds the shears. Katoku Shears Sharpening Guides can be used to sharpen any right-hand shears or left-hand shears. We can use the Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide to sharpen a simple bevel edge shears or a true convex edge shears. The Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide also has an adjustable handle. It allows us to set the guide to the way we would like to handle it. And it's a great feature when you're sharpening long shears or curved shears. This is a very long shears. It is quite difficult to pivot and to control, especially when we are using a larger disc. But we can adjust the length of the handle and it will adjust the pivoting angles. So we will have better control and better visual when we are doing the sharpening. It is a must-have feature if you are doing sharpening for both hair shears and other types of shears. The Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide can also be used both horizontally and vertically. So this is our Katoku Shears Sharpening Guide.